In this video, I'm going to show you how to share in Affinity. So the first thing you have to do is have your text selected, and then you want to go up here to the Window tab. You want to go to Text and hover over it and click on where it says Character. This is going to open up a new box here, and to actually share, you can see over here when you hover over this button, it says Share. If you want to be very precise, you could go ahead and type in your own number, or just basically click up or down, and this is going to adjust its share. Or what you can also do is basically click and hold over here and drag it either to the left or to the right, or of course whichever side you want to actually change this, and that's one way to do it. However, if you just want to do it quickly without basically being very precise, you can just go ahead and whenever you have your text, choose this move tool here, and when you come very close at the very top over here of your selected text, you'll be able to see those three arrows going left and right. I mean two, okay? So two arrows. You have to click and just basically drag to the right, to the left, and this is basically going to share your text. So that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.